unique option, like I can continue my college studies with the UPSC preparation, and then I came to here. It was one of the best decisions which I had ever taken about my academics. The environment here is really good. The faculty which I have got, I feel I am so blessed. The concept clear, the psychological support, the one-to-one interaction with the teachers, and the everything, the learning environment, the fun activities, all is combined in this course.
The support from the teachers, staff and peers were incredible.
The BA 3 years UPSC program, and this was the best decision to join Tathastu for this course. The faculty of this institute is the strength of this institute. They focus on overall development of the students. The holistic approach of teachers for the interactive sessions and the seminars and the events are a great part of this institute.
The positive thing that came in my journey or become the part of my journey is joining this institute. I am so much happy that I am a part of this institute. It's just kind of mother-child relation. The way mother holds the finger of a child and let him to succeed in his journey. It is just like that.
You feel so progressive every single day, and the main thing is that I don't even feel burdened that I have to study this much. I feel like it's so good and I enjoy every single day. The faculties made us comfortable in the class. It feels like, yeah, it's my class. I'm comfortable to speak what I feel, what my opinions are. So I like it about our institute.
I just completed my 12th. I was searching for UPSC coaching centers, but it was difficult because there is no such courses like BA plus UPSC. But I'm just thankful to Tanu ma'am for such a beautiful course, so we can just manage our coaching and as well as BA.
यहाँ पे कंटेंट अच्छा है, मेंटरशिप बहुत अच्छी है. बेसिकली यहाँ पे जो फैकल्टीज़ हैं वो सारे के सारे आधे से ज़्यादा सिविल सर्वेंट्स हैं जो बेसिकली अपना बहुत सारे एक्सपीरियंस हम लोग के साथ शेयर करते हैं जो हमें हेल्पफुल करता है. अपने की सारे एक्सपीरियंस, डेली टेस्ट, वीकली टेस्ट, डेली डाउट सेशन क्लासेस सारे की सारी तथास्तु में हमें अवेलेबल हैं. डेली न्यूज़पेपर एनालिसिस, बहुत सारी फैकल्टीज, सारी हेल्प हम सबको मिलती है.
Mentorship here is also very great because it feels like a family here, as everybody here is so supportive. Everything we can share everything to our teachers as they give us one personal doubt clearing session, as well as they can give us the motivation that we guys needed here in UPSC.
शुरुआती दिनों में मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा भ्रमित था कि मुझे क्या करना है अपने फ्यूचर में. तो क्योंकि मुझे फ़िलॉसफ़ी विषय बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद था, तो मैंने तनु जैन मैम जी के बहुत सारे लेक्चर्स देख रखे हैं जो भी यूट्यूब पे अवेलेबल हैं. तो उसके ज़रिए मैंने इस चैनल को पाया, तथास्तु ICS को, और मैंने बाकी जो शिक्षक वहाँ पर अपने लेक्चर्स डाल रखे हैं, अपलोड किए हुए हैं, मैंने उनको भी देखा और मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा जानकारी मिली.
मुझे स्टार्टिंग में आके लगा नहीं था कि मैं UPSC कर पाऊँगी. फिर बाद में धीरे धीरे जब यहाँ पे फैकल्टीज़ ने मेरी मदद करी और सारे टीम मेंबर्स ने हमें हैंडआउट्स दिए, प्रोवाइड करे लेक्चर्स, जो कि बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. लेक्चर्स और फैकल्टीज़ की ये सब चीज़ें आगे मुझे लग रहा था स्टार्टिंग में तो UPSC तो मेरे से हो ही नहीं पाएगा, बट यहाँ पर ना BA के साथ UPSC का कोर्स कराते हैं, और मुझे लगा था कि BA के साथ UPSC कॉलेज अलग से करो और यहाँ पे अलग से करो, ये तो अलग अलग हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे मुझे दोनों मिला, तो मुझे वो आके यहाँ पे बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सा लगा.
The faculty here is very supportive and understanding. Everyone is a very good listener and guides me, not only in studies but also in every aspect of life. And being here makes me feel that yes, I made the right decision to come here.
The weekly tests are here, very important, and it gives us the feeling of a proper UPSC exam because the cutoff is also released here.
So hello everyone, my name is Parthi Sharma and I am from Himachal Pradesh. I am a student at Tathastu ICS from Prarambh 2B batch. So starting to how I got to know about the institute. So my aim from a very young age is to become an IAS officer. Starting of graduation, I should be able to prepare for UPSC civil services exam also and other government services exams also. So for that I was searching options, and then on YouTube I got to know about this plan of Tanuja and ma'am to start BA plus UPSC curriculum, and then I indulged more into it, and then on website I checked the course, the facilities they are providing, and all the curriculum, and then I the called on the helpline number with which was there at the website.
So, hello everyone, my name is Zaved Jheel. I am from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. I am a student at Tathastu ICS from Prarambh Batch 2B. I want to share my experience in Tathastu. So, first I would like to talk about the teachers. The teachers are very cooperative with us. They teach us very well in the class, as well as they are very much cooperative outside the class also. When the subject are finished, after that they also clear our doubts. And the next is our mentors are also very good. They also support us very much in emotionally, academically, etc. And my experience is very good. And apart from the studies, I would like to tell about the other activities which they are held for us. For example, various events and meditation, pranayam, etc., which help us to grow internally. They also try to build our personality very well. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Priyanka and I am from Bihar. I am a student in Tathastu ICS in the Prarambh batch, which is a BA course. So firstly, how I know about this course, I was just after passing 12th, I was searching for whatever options I had, and then I came to know about this. Firstly, I was very skeptical, it was a unique option, like I can continue my college studies with the UPSC preparation, and then I came to here. It was one of the best decisions which I had ever taken about my academics. The environment here is really good. The faculty which I have got, I feel I'm so blessed. The concept clear, the psychological support, the one-to-one interaction with the teachers, and the everything, the learning environment, the fun activities, all is combined in this course. It's not only about the academics, but there are regular events that took place in the institute. We participate in them, and there are visits of dignitaries. We feel very blessed after interacting with them here. The environment and the students around, everyone is very supportive. I was a very introvert when I came here, and after interacting with everyone, I feel like I'm exploring various dimensions, and the overall experience is really good.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashna. I am from Odisha. I am studying in Tathastu Institute, batch 2B. I came to know about this institute through online, like YouTube videos. I was searching about UPSC for 3 years course, and suddenly a video popped out of Tanu ma'am, and then I researched more about that institute. Then I was searching for colleges also at the same time. Then I came to know, a message popped out. I came to know about that this institute is also providing for colleges and UPSC preparation at the same time. So then I scrolled down and I got the number to contact with the faculty, and I did contact, and then I came to know about the fee structure and everything, and it was suitable from me. Then I obviously told my parents, and they liked it very much. Then I decided to come here and inquire more, and then it was very much suitable for me. Then I enrolled myself into the institute, and I think that was one of my best decision to come here and enroll, because I didn't think that it would be like I thought that it would be very much different from like different colleges, but and it will be very much studios area where students are just studying and no fun is there. But when I came here and I realized that it's not only about studies. In this institute there is lot of more curricular activities, good interaction, and fun environment where student and teacher bond is very beautiful and very understanding. Here in this institute we are not only focused on studies but also in our personality, like they are creating lots of events so that we participate and expert ourselves in other areas as well. And the teachers are the best part here. They are very understanding, they are very soft, and it's really easy for us to communicate with them. And yeah, it's very beautiful. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Soumya Pandey from Uttar Pradesh. I have joined Tathastu ICS under the leadership of Tanujan ma'am. After 12th, I was in great dilemma whether to pursue which course. So then I got to know about Tathastu, the BA 3 years UPSC program, and this was the best decision to join Tathastu for this course. The faculty of this institute is the strength of this institute. They focus on overall development of the students, the holistic approach of teachers for the interactive sessions and the seminars and the events are a great part of this institute. I'm very grateful to be the part of this institute. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Kashish, student at Tathastu ICS. I want to share my experience. After 12th, I was like to join which institute for my UPSC coaching and do my college studies side by side to pursue my degree. And after a lot of researching, I got to know about Tathastu ICS, which is under the leadership of Tanujan ma'am. Firstly, as it was under the leadership of Tanujan ma'am, it was a great experience, like the curiosity to join this institute. And then I searched a lot about the institute. I got to know the fee structure, the features, the teachers, the faculty, everything. And then when I came here to know more about the institute, the faculty, the reception teachers and everything was so good and they were so helpful. After joining, it has been 5 to 6 months and everything is going very well. Not only the studies but overall development, my personality and everything has improved. And there's a lot to know, the teachers and then the faculty and the students. The environment is very good, and we do have events also which they contribute to our improving in our personality.
Hi everyone, myself Kiran. I am from Tathastu ICS. I'm in Praram 2B. So how I'll explain now how my journey started. So my journey started when I just completed my 12th. I was searching for UPSC coaching centers, but it was difficult because there is no such courses like BA plus UPSC. But I'm just thankful to Tanu ma'am for such a beautiful course, so we can just manage our coaching and as well as BA. That's all. And I would like to thank all the faculty, mentors. They explain so well.
Hello everyone, myself Aditi Tiwari from BA plus UPSC 3 years course, Tathastu ICS. As the name suggests, Tathastu. It's like a vardhan for all the students who believe in the qualities like the daily newspaper analysis, even not monthly, weekly as well as daily test, the one-to-one concentration of the teachers on all the students, best faculty, doubt clearing session, etc. and everything that a student just imagine to be in a future institute. It's not an institute, it's just a family. Because I'm after just 12th, I have just gone in BA and I wanted to become IAS. So I have taken admission in Tathastu ICS. For the first time, I have been out from my environment of my house, and it's not been, I'm feeling that I'm just very far away from my house because the institute environment is so friendly. it's a mixture of the little bit of fun activities like celebrating Teachers' Day, Children's Day, and lots of studies with a balance. Just institute create a balance in the student life and in the student's life only. It's like from my bottom of the heart, it's very loving, it's very proud moment for me to be the family of the Tathastu ICS.
Hello everyone, myself Disha Jain. I am student of Prarambh Batch 2A, BA 3-year course. So first of all, I would like to tell that being the part of civil service or joining civil service is my childhood dream. I have never ever thought about any other option. And the positive thing that came in my journey or become the part of my journey is joining this institute. I am so much happy that I am a part of this institute. It's just kind of mother-child relation. The way mother holds the finger of a child and let him to succeed in his journey. It is just like that. UPSC being created such a big thing, such a troubling thing, but joining this institute, it's such a became easier. The sessions, the mentors, the faculty, everyone is so helpful, and I am very happy that I am part of this journey.
Hello everyone, I am Rakhi, currently in 3-year programs of UPSC plus BA in the Tathastu ICS. It has been 6 months here and I'm so happy about my journey. If I'll talk about that, basically in a nutshell, what happens in a school that we used to study 1 or 2 to 3 books in a whole year. But here, we have completed so many NCRTs in just 6 months, and it feels like it has been full of learnings, and you feel so progressive every single day. And the main thing is that I don't even feel burdened that I have to study this much. I feel like it's so good and I enjoy every single day. The faculties made us comfortable in the class. It feels like, yeah, it's my class. I'm comfortable to speak what I feel, what my opinions are. So I like it about our institute. And if I talk about other things, like as we are living out of our home, so Tathastu has become our extended family. It's like you don't have to feel like I'm alone here. Even for the food, you can discuss any problem with your mentor. The mentor has been very caring, and she notices everything, that how your accents are there, and even as according to you, she makes your routine how you want it to be happen. So I love about it, our institute, and to be very honest, I think I have made the best decision by being in Tathastu, and everything is so good. Like, you are not bored. You're not bored of anything. You are not burdened. You are not feel pressured. You just enjoy it. And like, enjoying your journey is the most important thing you can have in your life, right? So everyone has made that thing. Civil services are very tough journey. Yeah, it can be tough. Of course, it is tough because it is a longer journey. But if you have a right guidance, so yeah, nothing is impossible. So at the end, I will just say that I'm grateful for here, and I'm equally excited to embark on this journey.
Teachers here are very good. They provide us very personal guidance, and we can have a mentor with us all the time. Not in only classroom, but even when we are at our home, in the rooms, we have access to our mentors all the time. My name is Srihari Satish Patori and I am from Maharashtra. So I am here currently enrolled in Prarambh Batch A. So my vision is to be from 9th standard. I have decided to the career in civil services. So I am seeking about the opportunities. Which platform I have the best platform which provides me all the knowledge also and all the personality development things. And by seeking that platform research, I came to Tathastu. And Tathastu is the best platform which I have experienced till yet. And both the other faculties also in the Tathastu, the current Tathastus and all the teams in the market also, this platform provides all 3 years program, which will not gives us that kind of opportunity or time period of experiencing it, studying it and Tathastu will provide us also a degree with us mature guidance, and Tathastu will only not providing us only NCERT or bookish language or only bookish things. Tathastu also helps into the growing personalities, personality development, debates. These skills will actually help in the field of an IAS officer, which needed for the IAS officer for getting experience for various challenges which came into the daily officer's life. So Tathastu also have the various things like newspaper analysis, daily newspaper doubt classes, and all the Tathastu's mentorship, personal guidance. All the other faculties also Tathastu will help the anyone student to get all the things which a civil servant need. So I think that the journey of the real student will not start in the journey of an IAS officer will not start in the Labasna. The journey of an IAS officer will start in the preparational life starting also. So the preparation life or starting days of any student or any aspirant should be very careful or very important. So Tathastu guide us like a mother guide to his son, getting into the right path, just like Tathastu guide us to getting into the right way from an aspirant to an IAS officer. So enroll it, come it, and experience it, a new way of learning.
My name is Rigyo Yajum. I am from Arunachal Pradesh. I am in Pararam batch 2A, BA plus UPSC. So here I have experienced highs and lows, ups and downs, but Tathastu has been my constant. The support from the teachers, staff, and peers were incredible. I have experienced. I had the opportunity to explore. I had the opportunity to explore many new interests, challenges, and develop skills that will last with me forever. Through it all, Tathastu had my steady source of motivation, comfort, and inspiration. Tathastu will always hold a special place in my heart. Thank you.
I'm Shekhar. I was currently enrolled in the 3 years BA plus UPSC program at Tathastu. Actually, I'm feeling very great for being a part of this institute. I have decided to be a civil servant in my 9th class. So at that time, I don't know what to do, how to do. I just know what to become, but I have no clear idea of what to do, where to do, when to do, and all those. After my 12th, I was searching for trying to enroll into UPSC coaching. After that, I found Tathastu. Here, as every journey starts with a single first step, I guess Tathastu is my starting point here to become an IAS officer.
My name is Ishwarya. I'm basically currently studying in Tathastu in Praram 2A batch. यहाँ पे कंटेंट अच्छा है, मेंटरशिप बहुत अच्छी है. बेसिकली यहाँ पे जो फैकल्टीज़ हैं वो सारे के सारे आधे से ज़्यादा सिविल सर्वेंट्स हैं जो बेसिकली अपना बहुत सारे एक्सपीरियंस हम लोग के साथ शेयर करते हैं जो हमें हेल्पफुल करता है. अपने की सारे एक्सपीरियंस, डेली टेस्ट, वीकली टेस्ट, डेली डाउट सेशन क्लासेस सारे की सारी तथास्तु में हमें अवेलेबल हैं. डेली न्यूज़पेपर एनालिसिस, बहुत सारी फैकल्टीज, सारी हेल्प हम सबको मिलती है. यहाँ पे मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा रहा है. मैंने अपने अंदर बहुत सारी चेंजेस देखे हैं.
Hello everyone, my name is Banshika Suman and I have enrolled in BA plus 3 years course of UPSC here in Tathastu. And after completing my 12th, I got this golden opportunity to prepare for my UPSC examination in advance. And one of the most unique feature about Tathastu is that that simultaneously we are preparing for UPSC as well as we are getting the degree. And it's been 6 months here in Tathastu and I am feeling so great because the faculty here are amazing. As you know that Tathastu gives us the faculty who are previously served in the civil services, so that we can get the insights of the UPSC preparation also, and about our performances. We also get weekly tests and daily tests, so that we can emphasize on the area where we can improve. As well as the mentorship here is also very great, because it feels like a family here, as everybody here is so supportive. Everything we can share everything to our teachers, as they give us one personal doubt clearing session, as well as they can give us the motivation that we guys needed here in UPSC preparation, because it's a very long journey here. And aside from the curriculum here, we also celebrate a lot of functions, so that we can have social interaction between our friends here. And that's it.
मेरा नाम अनुप्रिया है, मैं बिहार से आई हूँ। मेरा यूपीएससी क्लियर करने का बचपन से ही सपना है, एक सिविल सर्वेंट बनने का। मैं यहाँ पर बीए प्लस यूपीएससी 3 इयर्स के कोर्स में हूँ। यहाँ पे आए मुझे तथास्तु में 6 महीने हो गए हैं। यहाँ पे मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा रहा है। स्टार्टिंग में जब मुझे प्रॉब्लम हुई थी, मुझे मेरी मेंटोर्स ने बहुत अच्छे से एक जस्ट एज लाइक मदर ऐसे ट्रीट किया, और अब मेरी प्रॉब्लम सारी सॉल्व हो चुकी हैं। और यहाँ की फैकल्टीज़ की अगर बात करें तो सभी बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से हमें स्टडी करवाते हैं। और यहाँ पे डेली टेस्ट और वीकली टेस्ट भी होते हैं, और हमारे डाउट सेशन भी होते हैं। यहाँ पे डेली न्यूज़ एनालिसिस भी किए जाते हैं। और अगर हम जियोग्राफी की बात करें तो जो कि यहाँ का तथास्तु का ऑप्शनल भी है, वो हमें एक सिलेक्टेड सिविल सर्वेंट ने करवाया, जो कि बहुत ही अच्छे से करवाया, ऐसे एन्जॉयबल टाइप में करवाया कि हमें उसके साथ साथ इतनी अच्छी रिवीजन होगी कि जैसे हमें ज्योग्राफी कभी पढ़ा नहीं था, लेकिन उनके पढ़ाने के बाद जैसे लग रहा है कि बहुत ही अच्छा है। और यहाँ पे सारा एक्सपीरियंस मेरा बहुत ही अच्छा रहा है।
Welcome to Tathastu family. Myself Joshka, I am from Telangana, Hyderabad. So I have decided to join the Tathastu after my 12th, and it is an amazing journey from the 6 months, and it will be a part till I reach my final exam. And here in Tathastu we have a great mentor, great faculty, and everything is superb. So I hope this is my first step to achieve my UPSC IAS officer. And not only studies, we have celebrated Children's Day, Teachers' Day, and everything. So as the meaning of Tathastu, I would say, and I would encourage if anyone are interested to join. And so Tathastu, so be it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Vipul Yadav. I belong to the eastern part of the Uttar Pradesh, Ambedkar Nagar. I am here for 3-year program in BA with UPSC. शुरुआती दिनों में मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा भ्रमित था कि मुझे क्या करना है अपने फ्यूचर में। तो क्योंकि मुझे फ़िलॉसफ़ी विषय बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद था, तो मैंने तनु जैन मैम जी के बहुत सारे लेक्चर्स देख रखे हैं जो भी यूट्यूब पे अवेलेबल हैं। तो उसके ज़रिए मैंने इस चैनल को पाया, तथास्तु ICS को, और मैंने बाकी जो शिक्षक वहाँ पर अपने लेक्चर्स डाल रखे हैं, अपलोड किए हुए हैं, मैंने उनको भी देखा और मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा जानकारी मिली। और फिर मैंने डिसाइड किया कि मुझे यहाँ पर आना चाहिए। और जब मैं यहाँ पर आया तो मुझे एज एक्सपेक्टेड रिजल्ट्स मिले, डेली टेस्ट, वीकली टेस्ट, मंथली टेस्ट और सेलिब्रेशंस एंड ऑल द थिंग्स। काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिलता है। और सबसे बेहतरीन चीज़ कि मुझे मेरे परिवार जैसे शिक्षक मिले और दोस्त मिले। धन्यवाद।
हेलो, दिस इज़ माई सेल्फ सोना जैन। आई एम फ्रॉम न्यू दिल्ली और मैं यहाँ पर 6 महीने से हूँ। मुझे स्टार्टिंग में आके लगा नहीं था कि मैं UPSC कर पाऊँगी। फिर बाद में धीरे धीरे जब यहाँ पे फैकल्टीज़ ने मेरी मदद करी और सारे टीम मेंबर्स ने हमें हैंड आउट्स दिए, प्रोवाइड करे लेक्चर्स, जो कि बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे, लेक्चर्स और फैकल्टीज़ की ये सब चीज़ें। आगे मुझे लग रहा था स्टार्टिंग में तो यूपीएससी तो मेरे से हो ही नहीं पाएगा, बट यहाँ पर ना बीए के साथ यूपीएससी का कोर्स कराते हैं, और मुझे लगा था कि बीए के साथ यूपीएससी कॉलेज अलग से करो और यहाँ पे अलग से करो, ये तो अलग अलग हो जाएगा। तो यहाँ पे मुझे दोनों मिला, तो मुझे वो आके यहाँ पे बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सा लगा स्टार्टिंग में। फिर यहाँ पे स्टडी मटेरियल बहुत ज़्यादा था, वहाँ पे भी मुझे थोड़ी बहुत दिक्कत आई, लेकिन मैंने धीरे धीरे कर लिया। फिर स्टार्टिंग में इन लोगों ने हमें डेली टेस्ट करवाना शुरू करा, फिर धीरे धीरे इन्होंने हमें वीकली टेस्ट भी दिए, जिससे मेरी लर्निंग स्किल्स और सब कुछ बढ़ता गया, और उसके बाद आज मैं यहाँ तक हूँ जिसमें मुझे लगता है आई कैन क्रैक यूपीएससी।
Hi, I'm Tanikay and I'm from Tamil Nadu. And I'm doing my 3 years plus UPSC program in Tatastu ICS. And first of all, in general, I'm from South India. And in general, I thought it will be a very much difficulty for me that since the classes are in Delhi and it will be, I'm choosing my offline mode. And I thought it will be pretty much everything will be in Delhi. And I thought I'll be really facing a very much difficulty in the language. But it's actually, that's not the reality. And while starting, I had a very difficult in Hindi, but as the class starts and I went approached my mentor, and they're very good and they're very friendly also. And right now I'm not that facing the difficulty of Hindi, and it's not, Tatastu is not just a place where you'll be learning. It's actually, they have very good proper guidance. You'll be getting a newspaper analysis every day. You'll be getting PDFs and notes, and also you'll be also feeling very much supportive. So yes, thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Anviksha Pundir, a student of the Tathastu ICS. I am very grateful to be here and to be part of this journey. The faculty here is very supportive and understanding. Everyone is a very good listener and guides me, not only in studies but also in every aspect of life. And being here makes me feel that yes, I made the right decision to come here. Thank you so much.
Hello, I'm Preeti and I'm a student of the Tathastu ICS, and it's great being here, and the faculty over here is very great and they support me very much, and they go above and beyond to solve my every query related to any topic, and they give personal attention to every student. And I used to have self-doubt, but thanks to attention of my mentor who guided me and helped me in every step of my journey.
Hello everyone, myself Avchan. I'm from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. I'm pursuing UPSC plus BA course from Tathastu ICS. Earlier when I joined my first class, everything was going above my head because it was economic subject, and I've never ever studied in my 12th because I'm from science stream. And later on, with the help of faculties and mentors, they guided me and helped me to progress, and now everything is going fine and I'm studying properly. The weekly tests are here, very important, and it gives us the feeling of a proper UPSC exam because the cutoff is also released here. The classroom environment is very friendly, and the teachers also help us. The teachers also teach us in a very friendly manner and help us to correlate with the things. In the last, I want to say that it is my best decision which I have taken from here. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Aditya Ambrose. I am from Pondicherry. For starting from the institution, I need to mention my faculties because my mother tongue is not Hindi. Even though the faculties were very guided me, and the classes were providing in both Hindi and English. And next, the newspaper analysis, the NCRE modules, and the daily tests, weekly tests. Not even though we have came to end the degree, even though this is the place where we can gain more knowledges. And thank you very much.
Hi everyone, my name is Jai Raghav and I'm from Tamil Nadu, and I'm studying here in Tathastu ICS in Praram Batch 2. So I wanted to do UPSC from my childhood, but I was little scared about how I am going to do this, or how I am going to study this vast syllabus. But after 12th, after I came to know about Tathastu, I was like, this is the best decision I could make now so that I could achieve my dreams. So one advantage here is that there are less students, so you could get personalized personalized interactions with the faculty. So one advantage that I feel there is here, that is there are less number of students as compared to other institutes, so you could have personalized attention from the faculty who are civil servants. They could guide you on how to attend this exam, or there are faculty who have attempted UPSC multiple times, so they'll tell you what not to do as well. So the mentors here or the faculty, they are very supportive. Like they'll guide you, they are very encouraging, they are very supportive in everything. So if you really want to do UPSC and if you are really passionate about this, this is the best choice you can make.